All right there, boys and girls. Hey, it's day 10 of December Daily Math. Number 1, write a multiplication equation that is related to this division example. So this says 36 divided by 4 equals something. So let's think of it as what times 4 equals 36. We go through our times 4s. 1 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is 12, 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 equals 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 would be 36. That's our answer. 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. So we can write that down here. 9 times 4 equals 36. All right. Number 2 says, what is the area of the whole shape above? That means box A and B. So maybe you did it differently. Maybe you did it this way. Okay? Which would be 30 and 8. 10, 20, 30. Because there's 10 in each of these rows. And then 30 and 1, 2, 3, 4 would be 34. And another 4 is 38. If you did it this way, 18 plus 20. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. Either way, it's 38. Okay, so the total area of both shapes altogether as 1 is 38. Explain how you found the area of the whole shape. Then write another way you could use to find that area. Okay, so one way is we added up. We added we added rectangles A and B together. Okay? Another way we could do this is simply count all the squares. Every single individual one. Okay? This one says count, maybe you have a different way. Can't wait to hear about it. Count back by tens. 367, 357. So they're all going to end in a 7, right? So let's just pretend the 7s aren't there. Let's just go 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Let's just count back up now, starting down here to make sure we didn't skip something, okay? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, we still got to do something, though, to make it right. We still have to go in and add the number 7 to each of these. There. Now I counted back by tens. All right? Oh, that sleepy Taco the dog. If Taco naps 4 hours each day, how many hours does Taco nap in a week? Well, 1 week times 4 hours would be 4, right? 1 times 4 is 4? No. Important information. Each day. Right? And then we're going to underline how many. Circle that next word. So if Taco naps 4 hours each day, we can think of it as how many days in a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7. So we have 4 hours each day times 7 days equals 28, and their label is hours. Woo! A week means 1, right? Okay, boys and girls, great job with that. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 11.